Top 8 foods that will give you a heart attack. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, claiming one life every 38 seconds. But you can avoid becoming a statistic and lower your heart attack risk. And that starts with maintaining a healthy diet. According to the FDA, adults should consume no more than 9% of their daily calories from added sugar. However, many of us consume more than that each day, which is bad for our hearts. Sodium, in addition to sugar, is a problem, as too much salt can cause blood pressure to rise. Their arteries can harden and narrow as a result of high blood pressure, increasing their risk of heart disease. Furthermore, saturated fats should be considered, since studies have shown that eating meals high in saturated fats can boost your LDL, or bad cholesterol, putting you at risk for heart disease, which can lead to a heart attack. Watch which foods you should avoid in order to keep your heart pumping properly. And while you're making healthier changes, be sure to add the 8 healthiest foods to eat right now to your diet. 1. Baked goods, cookies, cakes, and muffins should be reserved for special occasions. They're usually high in added sugar, which contributes to weight gain. Higher triglyceride levels have also been related to them, which can contribute to heart disease. White flour is frequently the main ingredient, which can raise your blood sugar and make you hungry. Make your own healthy snacks by replace the butter or shortening with whole wheat flour, reduce the sugar, and use liquid plant oils instead of butter. 2. French fries. Obesity and abdominal fat have been related to heart disease for a long time. The more fat you have around your middle, the higher your blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels will be. By those metrics, French fries are a threefold hazard to your heart health. They're not only loaded with simple carbs that can increase your blood sugar, but they're also loaded with fat and salt. 3. Ice cream. When your blood cholesterol levels are higher than what's considered acceptable, plaque forms in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease. A healthy adult should ingest no more than 300 milligrams of cholesterol each day. A cup of certain Ben and Jerry's ice cream flavors, as well as many other creamy, chill treats, contains more than a third of the daily intake. Furthermore, ice cream is heavy in saturated fat, which is bad for your heart, as well as calories, which can lead to weight gain and poor heart health. 4. Pizza. Pizza can be healthy if prepared properly, but most takeout pizza and frozen pies are high in sodium, fat, and calories, all of which might increase your risk of a heart attack. When ordering pizza, choose a thin crust, ask for less cheese, pile on the veggies, and omit the salty pepperoni or sausage. Make your own pizza for the healthiest option. 5. Soda. Small amounts of added sugar aren't dangerous, but a can of soda contains more added sugar than experts recommend for a whole day. Soda drinkers are more likely to gain weight, become obese, and develop type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. While the evidence on diet drinks is still murky, some study has linked them to weight gain and strokes. Plain, carbonated, or unsweetened flavored water is your best bet. 6. Fried chicken. Chicken that has been deep fried adds calories, fat, and sodium to an otherwise healthful dish. Fried food has been associated to type 2 diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure, all of which increase the risk of heart failure. Bread skinless chicken breast in whole wheat flour and bake instead of frying for a crispy but healthier option. 7. Potato chips. One of the items that contributes the most to weight gain is potato chips. Not only are they high in saturated fat, but they're also high in sodium, which has been related to heart disease. Choose low sodium or low fat potato chips instead. They'll only make you hungry once more. Healthy proteins, carbs, and fats are combined in the most nutritious snacks, such as whole grain crackers with low-fat cheese or handmade popcorn drizzled in olive oil. Chicken that has been deep fried adds calories, fat, and sodium to an otherwise healthful dish. Fried food has been associated to type 2 diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure, all of which increase the risk of heart failure. Bread skinless chicken breast in whole wheat flour and bake instead of frying for a crispy but healthier option. 8. Processed meats. The worst foods for your heart include hot dogs, sausage, salami, and lunch meat. They're salty, and most of them are heavy in saturated fat. Turkey is healthier than salami when it comes to deli meats because it is lower in saturated fat. However, it still contains a significant quantity of salt, making it less heart healthy than fresh sliced turkey breast.